Start recording. Welcome, y'all. Yes, sir. We in that party animal grind.
What up?
What up with it? I think I'm about to pee myself.
Dude, you're weird. Wow, look at that.
Yo, let's play beast football. Yo! Oh shit. Grab it. Somebody grab it. Let's go.
Is that me?
I don't know, but somebody
I think
did.
that was me. Oh my god.
All right. Oh. Oh, I got his ass. Go, doggy, go. Yeah, that's my boy. No. Go. Drag it in there.
Good.
Yeah. All three of us. Teamwork makes the dream work, baby. Got him.
Oh my god.
Don't let go. Go. Got him. Go.
This is my ball, bitch.
Oh, I'm on it. Throw it over here. Get off me.
I don't know how to throw. Oh, he knocked me out.
You hold the throw button. Oh, he going. Oh, he threw it. Go.
Look at Randy Orton slithering. Watch out!
Oh, I'm so sorry.
No way, bro.
I came from the top rope. Get off me. Let go of me. Alright, here we go. Number 4, round 4. Foul trap. Oh, got him.
Go, Emilio, go.
Oh!
Damn, that was mine.
No! Oh, wrong thing, guys, let go! Oh, I'm out. I'm knocked out. Oh, okay. That's crazy.
Oh,
The worst part of betrayal is that it never comes from the enemy.
Oh! No, get that out.
my bad, bro.
Yeah, how's that feel? Oh! Let's go! Oh my god! Go boys! Let's go!
Oh no, he got it.
Yup! MVP right here, baby.
I'm ass.
That's 2 for 2. Yeah, y'all dropped it. Y'all fumble
Look at me
recovery.
running into the wall.
Took
Like
her
I
in there.
don't know what I'm doing, but oh,
Yeah.
that's crazy as cringe.
Yeah. 10, 9, 8.
Dude, you weird, bro. God, both of them at the same time, dude.
Bitch.
Dude, you just picking me up, bro. That's crazy. But yeah, I don't know. Let me tell you.
I am the king of the tower.
Damn, I'm getting fucked right now.
And you guys are getting tased on there. I'm up here living my best
Damn!
life.
Oh, get off me!
I actually really love these team games.
Yeah, me too. These are my favorite ones.
Except it's you versus everybody, bruh. Look at these fools, bruh. They don't know what peace is. Are you scratching your butt right now? What am I scratching? Oh, my stomach. am. What is this? Oh, it's my hat. Ooh.
Weak.
No way, Amelia, you gotta survive. I just killed 2 with my bomb. You gotta survive.
Oh.
Let's go, dude.
Oh,
Let's
I'm
go. You gotta
cracked.
get this. You
I'm
gotta get
literally him. No, wait.
No, you're
Oh,
coming.
you.
Oh, they got him. They got him.
Hey,
You're
hey,
cracked. You're cracked, bro. Let's go. I killed
guys, I'm terrified. I'm
Yo, it's a 1v2, bro.
No.
Get up, get up. You got this. You got this. You got this. Stay away. Stay away. Stay away.
Bitch.
Bro, we just won twice.
Oh, bro, he gets me every time with that flying kick. I'm coming to save you. I missed. Leave him alone, bitch.
Yes, bro. Thank you. Clip that. Oh my god, that was hilarious.
Get that shovel. Beat his
Oh,
ass. Beat his ass. Yeah!
Yeah,
Let's
beat-
go. Let's go.
Oh, I'm dead. Yeah.
Oh my god,
It's only you, bro. You got this.
No,
Weak.
no. Oh, oh. What the? How did I get knocked out by that? Give me this potion of strange concoction. I'm so sorry.
Oh shit. Oh shit.
Oh no, Wade's about to clutch this 1v2, man. No shot. He's about to clutch this 1v2. Oh! Thank God. All right.
Wow, bro,
Whoever
that
wins
was
this wins the game.
crazy.
Whoever wins this wins the game, bro. I gotta lock in. I gotta lock in. Hold on. I'm gonna get quiet.
We gotta go through this dragon, bro.
Bruh.
Wow, you and I are still in. Oh wait. I just jinxed it. I'm out. You got this. It's a 1v1.
No way!
You got this.
No way! Let's
He's
go!
come back. He's come back. Watch out behind you.
No way! How did he survive the poison?
There we go. Man, what are you doing, man? No.
We have to beat the race.
This guy's being a motherfucker.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
Oh! Yup. I'll take him with me.
Get me out of here. I don't want to be here. Why did-
Launch me over there, boys. Thank you. No.
Bruh.
Oh, I died. I got crushed by the thing.
Yeah, bitch.
Launch it. Yup. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, I didn't make it. Guys, just launch one more. Yes. I think that's it. I think that's game. Emote. What do we say?
What?
What do we say? What's the outro? Alright, you know, I think
Yeah,
honestly,
What, nice.
like, that's a good, it's like, good night, yo.